What's going on, guys? Jonas here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about Clickbank a little bit more. I've been talking a lot about Clickbank recently. I want to talk about a couple of ways that I make Clickbank sell. I just want to kind of share it with you guys so you guys can get a good idea of exactly how a sale is made on Clickbank, because when it comes to Clickbank, a lot of people get confused. With their strategies. Now, one of the things I can tell you as a super affiliate on Clickbank is that there are a lot of different strategies when it comes to selling. Like, there isn't just one perfect strategy. You got to choose the right strategy based on the products you promote. So that's very important to understand. So I'm just kind of showing up my account here, but it doesn't mean that that these strategies are gonna get you there tomorrow. Like, I'm making anything from $3,000 a day to $1,000 a day every single day. Like, I'm doing very well with Clickbank, but again, it doesn't mean these things are gonna make you commissions like this tomorrow. But these things I'm going to share, even these things, if you get them right, if you spend some time, you can definitely, like, let's see, what's the worst one here? So $597, this is like the worst day, right? Let me just open this one real quick. So something like this is definitely possible. I see this is a day that I got two sales, one 460, one's 136, total of $597. So these strategies that I'm going to share with you are definitely something that can get you there. Something that can definitely push you to this kind of level, because it's really not that hard to make $500 a day on Clickbank. You just have to have the right model. So let's get into it. I'm not going to waste any time here, okay? So one of the things that I do to make Clickbank sales, this is actually the system that I use to sell health-related products, like weight loss, stuff like that, is actually what I call a article landing page. So basically the idea with this is that I write this really awesome article, and it's basically a single landing page. It's a completely separate landing page, and what this thing is actually, it's an article, but if you click on these links here, any link really, it's going to open this pop-up which people have to put their name and email, and then after that they will be taken to a landing page or affiliate link, basically, where they will have to buy something. So basically the idea with this is to provide value up front with a valuable article in the health niche, right? Something that can be useful to people, and you can drive traffic with ads and everything, but drive value and then just get people to kind of give you your name and email. That's it. So this is very simple, very powerful stuff. This is actually one of the most effective ways to sell health products, or like weight loss products generally. So that's one thing. Another one actually is solo ads, right? So that is one thing that you can do, which is very powerful. So if you go to Marketplace, one of the things you can actually look for is products that have opt-in pages, okay? Let's say, for example, this is one of the products. There you go. So this is actually, for example, a product that comes with an opt-in page, and I actually promote this one a lot. So what you can do is you can actually go to udemy.com. This is the website. You can find people who are selling solo ads, for example, this guy, and you can just buy clicks, okay? So you can just buy, let's say, 100 clicks and write a nice copy, a very simple email, and just pay for it, and there you go. Just like that, you drive traffic to your affiliate link. Now keep in mind that Udemy solo ads are mainly related to the internet marketing niche, so you want to make sure that you don't promote a health product using Udemy, for example. All right, so keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. So that's one thing. Now the next one, which is has a lot more work to do. Yeah, you gotta actually spend some time on this one. It's not as easy as Udemy, or even as easy as building a landing page. This is what I call like doodly videos. So basically the idea with this is that create these kind of nice looking animation videos. Like if I just click one of them, this is actually my channel, but yeah, so you can create these nice looking animation videos and just send people to your affiliate link, just like that. Just create these nice animation videos and send people to your link. And if you make enough of these videos, you can make a nice channel where you get a lot of people subscribing and watching your videos. And if you make good videos, like valuable videos, you can get people to click on the affiliate link in the description and go to your affiliate link. So you make these videos using doodly.com. This is a software that you can actually buy, and it allows you to create these awesome videos. It's very cool. Let me just pull it up for you guys. There you go. So you can buy this software. It's a really great software. I recommend having it. It's really cool. You can make a lot of cool stuff. But yeah, so this is one of the ways to do it. So these are 3 ways, guys, that I make commissions. Now, my last tip to you, okay? Commissions like this is not gonna happen overnight. Okay, they won't happen overnight. You gotta actually work. And I've been in this business for over 8 years, and I've got to tell you, it's not gonna happen overnight. You gotta actually put the time, put the work. So just explore these strategies, see which one is better for you, based on your budget, your time, and everything, and just press on them. Just work at it. Make sure you test a lot of different things and all that, and see what works for you guys. So thank you so much. I hope this was most helpful. I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, consider subscribing. And also, one more thing, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you. Check it out if you want to learn more, if you are interested in learning in more details. I have a very interesting class for you, so definitely check it out. It's really great, and it's going to teach you a lot of things that I didn't get a chance to mention right now. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.